me, dedicated to Ohio Fred. I have here is a box. We all know what it is. And I'm going to basically start to open up, grab one, and see what it looks like. Because frost is getting over, and within another 2 weeks, you know we're going to be planting these bad boys in the ground. Let's see what winter has done to these. Looks like got color. Some color. Not a lot of color. So I'm going to wrap this bad boy back up. It's a little bit damp. But I am going to grab another one. This one. Yeah, baby. There you go. That tip is a going. It's a starting. I could probably put this in the ground and give it a head start. And I think I may just do that because I got plenty of these to put in the ground. So let me go get my hoe and plant one for you. I'm gonna come right over here, pick a spot, bury down, take it out of the paper, this is facing up, and that's facing up. There you go. Might as well put two in there. Cover it on up. Ohio Fred. Canna Lilies that you cannot imagine. That's gonna grow quite tall. We'll see you on later. Planting the rest when it warms up in 2 weeks. Later.